Today we're going to be making a lined zipper pouch with my Get Well Soon fabric available at spoonflower.com. Using a 9-inch zipper, cut 4 pieces of 9-inch wide fabric, 2 pieces of lining and 2 pieces of outer fabric. Then lay your lining down face up, your zipper face up, and your outer fabric face down. Pin these 3 layers together. With the zipper foot attachment ready to go on your sewing machine, sew these 3 layers together. Now do the same thing. Lining face up, zipper face up, and outer fabric face down. Pin these 3 layers together again. Again, using the zipper attachment on your sewing machine, sew these layers together. Top stitch your outer layer to your lining. Grab your linings, right sides together, and your outer fabric, right sides together, and pin these. Now, move your zipper down a few inches into your pouch to make it easier to turn right side out when you're done. Start with your lining side in the middle of the bottom and start sewing around the sides. You're going to leave a 3-inch hole when you come around the other side to turn your pouch right side out. Fold in and sew up your lining, wrong sides together. You're done.